My little tiger.
1, 2, chan chan chan. 3, 4, chan chan chan.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Let's go.
I meet a soccer player.
I meet a soccer player.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
I'm so excited!
I'm so excited.
Let's go!
Let's go.
I meet a climber.
I meet a climber.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
I'm so scared!
I'm so scared.
Let's go!
Let's go.
I meet children.
I meet children.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
We are so happy!
We are so happy.
That's excellent! In my house.
In my house.
Where is my cat?
Where is my cat?
On the roof.
On the roof.
In the bedroom.
In the bedroom.
Where is my book?
Where is my book?
In the bookcase.
In the bookcase.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Where is my cup?
Where is my cup?
On the table.
On the table.
In the bathroom.
In the bathroom.
Where is my toothbrush?
Where is my toothbrush?
Under the mirror.
Under the mirror.
In the living room.
In the living room.
Where is my ball?
Where is my ball?
Next to the chair.
Next to the chair.
In the garden.
In the garden.
Where is my bike?
Where is my bike?
Behind the tree.
Behind the tree.
You got it.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm playing the trumpet.
I'm playing the trumpet.
I'm playing the drum.
I'm playing the drum.
I'm playing the guitar.
I'm playing the guitar.
What are you playing?
What are you playing?
I'm playing the flute.
I'm playing the flute.
I'm playing the violin.
I'm playing the violin.
I'm playing the cello.
I'm playing the cello.
That's excellent.
World map.